All right, I'd like to kind of help you again with what to look for in these problems with the elimination and for the graphing, writing the equations for parallel and perpendicular lines. So watch this first before you actually get into the assignment to help you. So first thing, are my terms stacked? Do I have the same coefficient? Do I have different signs? So if I have the terms are stacked, same coefficient, different signs, go ahead and get rid of that variable. Once you're done, plug it in for the other one. Pick one of the original equations. Solve for that, which is a two-step equation. Add or subtract first, divide last. That will give you your two ordered parts of your ordered pair. So, if you don't have terms that are stacked, same coefficient, different signs, pick a letter, use the distributive property and the least common multiple to create it. So let's try one real quick. Here we go. So I'm going to pick y. 2 does go into 6. So I don't have to multiply anything times the bottom one because 2 goes into 6. The 6 is going to stay. So I'm just going to multiply the top one times a negative 3. So my original equation, 9x plus 6y equals negative 9 will stay. My new one that I'm going to create is going to be negative 9x minus 6y equals positive 9. Now I can go ahead and solve it. And if you notice, in this one, all of this on the left side goes to 0. All of this on the right-hand side goes to 0. So if I have 0 equals 0, these are the same equation, which means you have an infinite number. So I don't have to put anything back in. I'm done. For the graphing part of writing equations, if they're asking you for parallel lines, the slopes are going to be the same. Perpendicular lines, the slopes are negative reciprocals. I've given you two other examples of what that means when you do this. 2/3 is your original equation's slope. The perpendicular of that would be a negative 3/2. In the second example, you have a negative 5/7 for the original line. Your line that you're creating is going to be a positive 7/5. So when you are creating these equations, the question is the given equation in y equals mx plus b form? Recognize that. If it's not, reorganize it. If it is, take the slope out. Once you've done that, round one, you're going to put in y, m, x. You're going to solve for b. Second part, round 2, you're just going to put in m and b. You're either going to leave it as y equals mx plus b, or you're going to put it into standard form. These are the things that you want to take care of through this section. Again, I'm trying to make this simple for you. Please use this to help you with these assignments. Good luck.